4 months ago, I started posting sim racing and karting content on YouTube and Instagram, and as of today, I'm officially sponsored by MOZA Racing Hong Kong. So come along with me as I unbox the brand new MOZA mBooster CRP2 and R12 wheelbase. So first off, let's take a look at MOZA's latest release, the brand new mBooster. So this pedal is very interesting and I've been wanting to try it for so long, ever since it came out. And the reason being is because with this pedal, you can feel ABS, traction control, G-forces, engine vibrations, and that's not all. But yeah, I think this is probably one of the coolest products that MOZA has released so far, and I've been dying to try this pedal. So second of all, included in the MOZA mBooster set, this is the CRP2 pedal. And even though we just talked about the mBooster, don't sleep on these pedals because it can actually do up to 200 kilos of force, which makes it an amazing choice for you guys if you guys want to use it for a brake pedal or a throttle or a clutch pedal. And finally, the last item MOZA Racing has sent me, the brand new MOZA R12 wheelbase. So this wheelbase allows you to have 12 Nm of torque, which is a significant upgrade compared to my R5, which only has 5.5 Nm. So let's go build it and check out how it drives. Okay guys, we're back. The rig has been finally completed, so let's take it out for a test drive. Here we go. Okay, so first things first, let's jump into MOZA House and check out the mBooster settings. So as you can tell, I've messed with settings quite a bit. This is my current settings, so my peak brake force is only 28 kilos, although, as you can see, this thing can go up to 200 kilos of brake force. 200 kilos, right? So let's see, I set it at 200, and oh my God, I'm pressing at 30 kilos. 30 kilos, and it's like 0% brake pressure. That's insane. So yeah, 200 kilos peak force. But I think I can only use 30 kilos maximum on my rig just because my rig isn't built for this. But 30 kilos brake force is quite a lot in my opinion. So let's try and press 30 kilos all the way down. 3, 2, 1. Bit over exaggerated, not that hard, but you guys get the point. 30 kilos of brake force. So with the MOZA mBooster, you can adjust the brake force that you have. So you guys can go from 0 to 20 kilos of initial brake force. And this means if I put it at 20 kilos, it means I need to press 20 kilos of force for the brake to activate. So one of my favorite things about the mBooster actually is how adjustable it is. So with this pedal travel setting, I can adjust how long the pedal goes, and I can also adjust it to fit my leg room and fit it to my liking. So for example, let's adjust the pedal travel up and let's see what happens. So basically, if you want it to be more forwards, then you adjust the pedal travel upwards, and if you want it to be backwards, you adjust it backwards. So over here, you guys can see engine vibration. So with the pedal, right now, if I put my foot to the pedal, I can feel the engine vibration. So if I crank it up all the way to 100, oh, can you hear it? Can you see it? It's shaking, right? So that's the engine vibration. And moving on to my favorite, we have wheel lockup and trigger input level. But I really love this setting because you can feel the wheel lockup, which makes it so much easier to push and brake harder. Let's take a look at how the mBooster behaves under all the different types of corners. Alright guys, so we changed the spot. I'm too bad at MOZA, but let's see what we can do at Spa. Oh, okay. This is the outlap, so we can be a bit more careful. Oh yeah, so it's really nice because I can feel the lockup before it happens, and I can sort of react in time. I can also hold lockups quite well and maintain the same brake pressure, but once again guys, I am not the best because new setup and everything, so don't judge the lap times. I'm still getting used to trail braking on this, so I'm a bit horrendous right now. Honestly, first looks, I'm really liking it. I really love how I can feel so much more on the R12 and the mBooster, and it goes along with the CRP2 quite nicely. Essentially, my whole rig is shaking. I feel like I'm in a real car. But yeah, let's push the braking a bit. Yeah. Oh, I felt that I was gonna lock up there. Luckily, I didn't lock up, but I had that feeling. I felt that. Oh, I'm so horrendous. I'll try and brake a bit later. See what I can do. Oh, oopsies. 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 Oh, this is really a lot of fun though. Not gonna lie. The mBooster lets me feel so much more. Like I'm a lot more confident with braking right now. Although, well, to be fair, I'm a lot more confident in late braking now. I'm still not confident on the brakes because I still need to get used to this brake, but man, I love it. I'm so happy. I completely missed it. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this. You know what? Let's swap cars. Alright guys, so the point is, okay, that the mBooster is the best thing that has ever happened to me so far because I've never enjoyed sim racing more. Literally, the feeling, like being able to feel the brakes about to lock up, the ABS activating, feeling the vibration of the engine, that's like, I can't stress enough how nice of a feeling it is. Like, I just want to sit here all day and play and get better. And okay, even though I'm still adapting, I feel so much more confident on the driving, even though I'm actually slower, but like, I don't know, man, there's something about it. It's so nice. Guys, like, remind me to make a video of like, I don't know, like 2 weeks, like 1 month of using the mBooster before versus after, because I'm like horrible right now. Like, I can't, guys. Like, moving from an like moving from an SRP Lite to an mBooster is like such a jump, you know? It's crazy. I'm so not used to this. As you can tell, I'm so trash right now, guys. Nah, I think we really have to do a 1 month progression video. Like 30 days using the MOZA mBooster. Oh no! I'm not slowing down, man. I'm full sending it into the turn. I'm probably gonna lose time there anyways. But yeah, dude, I can't put into words, guys. Like, the mBooster. Oh, I braked too late. It's like another level of fun, you know, being able to feel everything. Like, obviously I've never driven like a GT car, but you know, it's like in karts, you get to feel everything, and I didn't spin out. See, that's the thing. Like, that's the beauty of it. You get to feel it before it happens. Oh, screw the black flag, man. Yeah, this was the MOZA R12, CRP2, and mBooster review. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be making, best believe I will be making a 30 days or 60 days or 100 days of using the MOZA mBooster. So that's it from me. I still can't wrap my head around this. This is insane, but yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.